So it is time. We are moving out of the garage. We got an unexpected email this morning from the mortgage company that they're shutting off utilities. Not because I didn't pay, totally paid my bills. It's just title and escrow. When you sell a house, they go through, well mine does, not everyone's. They go through and they start like deactivating your services so you don't have to. So we're packing up the garage and moving tonight. Eric is gonna be helping back here. You guys, some of you have met Eric, like OGs on the channel when I had like 200 subs met Eric when we went to the track a long time ago. So.
Oh yeah.
Eric's been around for a little while. He does a 240 shell.
Sylvia.
It's a Sylvia shell.
Mostly.
Mel was saying you pick up your engine next weekend.
Maybe, if I'm lucky.
Oh. Anyways, he's one J swapping.
Yeah,
one J swapping the car. It's gonna be dope when it's done. We'll feature it on the channel once it's like in progress, like actually in progress. Like engine going in progress. So we're gonna get started here, taking apart the garage. Thought it would be a fun video to do because we've spent so much time and so many videos in here before. So we're gonna start disassembling the rack, getting a lot of this stuff thrown up in the truck, taking out license plates. We're keeping them all, so don't even think I'm throwing any of them away because I know some of you guys sent them in. So I don't even know where we're gonna start. We're just gonna get going at it. Making good progress so far. There's more stuff in the garage than what I had initially thought. We're taking down the big rack. We got the rack stuff over there, tires, all sorts of stuff. I have more stuff in the garage than I thought. So we're gonna keep going on all of this stuff. Like Jesus. Jeez. Jeez. Hello.
Hi.
So we're gonna keep going on the rack. There's like 4 more of these supports and then these like end pieces come off. So that way we're not like struggling to try to pick this thing up and carry it around. Once this is down, I think we're gonna start doing some of the other smaller stuff over there. Hit up the impact, start pulling down all this stuff, but it's definitely coming along.
Do I get to move this yet?
Yes, you can move that.
Yes, it's a great thing.
We got plenty of room.
All day.
Yo, we can put those buckets, put the buckets inside the tires.
Oh, that's smart.
Round.
Well, they weren't here before.
This is a giveaway item. Why is this just sitting on top?
Here, give me that. I'll put that in the STI.
There's just there.
Someone, one of you lucky people, can win this Cobb radiator shroud. If you guys haven't seen the Instagram giveaway, swing over to my Instagram. I'll link it right here. Go hit it up if you guys want to be entered. The instructions are all in the post. Could be yours. And yes, it is brand new, not used. Why is my car locked?
Are you taking this super nice hose with you?
Yeah, I'm taking my hose. You think I'll leave my hose behind?
Different area code?
Nah, my hose coming. So we have pretty much gotten the entire garage kind of thrown in the back of the truck here. We're making really good progress. They turn off the internet today. So today's the last day I have internet here and I don't have cable or anything. So I kind of need the internet. But right now, woo, garage is looking pretty empty and pretty good. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to come back and finish a lot of the stuff here, take down the lights. We're taking all the tools and everything tonight, but there's gonna be some like supplementary things that I'm gonna have to do tomorrow just because like we're losing daylight. We still have to like set up our living space as well. I think while Melanie's setting up like our bed and our living situation and whatnot, I'm gonna be putting the garage together a little bit more so that way we have a place to actually like start working on things again. But overall, it's a very bittersweet feeling, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really gonna miss this garage. We've done a lot of installs here. We've done a lot of discussions, topics, debates. Some of you guys have actually came here to the garage and I've done work on your cars as well. And it's it's bittersweet, but on the bright side, some pizza just got here and I'm a little excited for that. So let's go snag a couple pieces and then I think we're going to keep going on trying to fit as many of the tools as we can in the back of the truck. I'm gonna start throwing some stuff in the STI. The BRZ's already up at the new house, so we're making some good progress here. It's just, it's a weird feeling. It's a weird feeling to see it like this. So for the most part, we've gotten the bulk of the big stuff out. We're gonna start loading up the tools and some of the smaller stuff. I have a box like OEM parts here that I need to go through tomorrow. Not gonna do that tonight. Studio lights are coming down. I'm gonna come back for the lights tomorrow. But small stuff, start getting it. Yo, the garage is like pretty much empty. Like, there is nothing left in here. So I decided we are gonna grab the lights tonight. Cause I'm not gonna leave these for the new owners. These are our lights. They're ours. So we're gonna give a, I don't know. So we're gonna get to pulling down the lights so that way we can hang these up in the new garage. Because I'm not gonna, no one's getting these. No one's getting them. It's such a weird feeling. This is the garage. This is the garage we spent so much time in, shooting so many videos, and where I got bored one day last year and decided to start recording making YouTube videos. So we're not quite done yet here. We still have to come back down. There's still some other stuff, a rack, a monitor I gotta grab, and a couple other things, but let's get out of here. Let's go head up to the new garage. We'll be back here soon, but hopefully this leads to a prosperous future of good videos, good installs, and sick cars.